Welcome to the Twisted Wheelers World Video Network. I am Mr. Twisted. This is our latest gold edition, this 1986 ATC350X full gold edition restoration done by Mr. Twisted Wheelers World LLC, St. Cloud, Minnesota. The custom grab bar, foot pegs, and chain cover were done by Wicked Metal Design. The plating was done by Rapid Plating in Sauk Rapids. All the powder coat was done by Powder Effects in Sauk Rapids. All the decals were done by Blue Line Graphics in Pennsylvania. Never mind our cover-ups here. Let's not scratch our client stuff for your entertainment. Let's fire this one up for you. There you guys go, and welcome to the Twisted Wheelers World Video Networks.